Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a check engine light code that throws a lot of people off P014B. If you've got this code, stick around because we're breaking it down and showing you how to fix it step by step. P014B means your bank 2 sensor to oxygen sensor is taking too long to switch from lean to rich. That sensor is located after the catalytic converter on the side of the engine with cylinder 1. Reduced fuel efficiency, deficient engine performance, engine stalling and not starting, black smoke from tailpipe, rough engine idles, service engine soon lamp illumination. A failing downstream oxygen sensor, wiring problems like frayed wires or corroded connectors, a lazy catalytic converter, or even an exhaust leak near the sensor. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold, so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals, and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set, otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak after all. Just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number to sensor. Number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor behind the converter. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After making the fix, clear the code with your skin tool and take the car for a test drive. If the code doesn't come back, you're good to go. And that's how you fix a P014B code like a pro. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.